So here is where you need these pocket lights for your videos and photos. Let me show you. So this is the Veltrox Retro 08X and 12X. So these are RGB pocket lights with the retro inspired design, and they are super light and very easy to carry. So I use these lights as my background lights for my videos, and I always keep one in my backpack as a backup light. So since these lights are RGB, I can change the color of my lights to anything I need depending on the project. So I'll put the links to where you can get these lights in the video description below. So this is the Retro 08X. It's an 8-watt light with a maximum brightness of 600 lux at 0.5 meters. So this light has a full RGB color adjustment and a bicolor temperature range from 2500 kelvins to 8500 kelvins. So the color accuracy is great with a CRI of 95 and a TLCI of 95. So this light has a built-in 6000 mAh battery which lasts at least 3.5 hours at 100%. So charging this light takes about 7 hours, and it comes with at least 26 built-in lighting effects. So in the box you get the light, a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, and this mounting device. You can use this to mount the light on the camera if you need to do so. So now this is the Retro 12X. It's a 12-watt light with a maximum brightness of 1350 lux at 0.5 meters. It also has a full RGB color adjustment and the same bicolor temperature range from 2500 kelvins to 8500 kelvins. So the color accuracy is even much better on this one with a CRI of 95 and a TLCI of 97. So it has a built-in 3000 mAh battery which lasts 2 hours at 100%. So charging this light takes about 3 hours 30 minutes. And just like the Retro 08X, it has about 26 built-in lighting effects. But what's different about this one is that it has a power bank mode, so you can charge your phone if needed. So it also comes with a silicone diffuser which softens the light and acts as a protector if you drop the light. So in the box you get the light, a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, the silicone diffuser, and this mounting device. So both of these lights can be controlled using a mobile app, making it super easy to adjust the colors and the settings. So these lights are great. You can use them for macro photography. You can also use them as background lights, like the way I use them, and more. So if you want to see how I use these lights in action, you should check this video here.